Benefits of mint leaves for health. Mint leaves are one of the popular herbs that are in great demand. Mint leaf is a type of leaf that comes from the herbal plant genus Mentha or mint, which consists of 15 to 20 species, including spearmint or peppermint. The benefits of mint leaves that can be felt or believed by many people include: Number 1. Mint leaves contain compounds that can help in the treatment for asthma. Shortness of breath problems such as asthma can be alleviated with mint leaves. The health benefits of mint leaves also come from the menthol content. Menthol will work to open the respiratory tract of asthmatics. This is because menthol can act as a natural anti-inflammatory. Then there are antibacterials that can treat infections caused by bacteria in the respiratory tract. Shortness of breath, various symptoms of asthma, and flu can be relieved by mint leaves. Number 2. Mint leaves can relieve colds. The more important benefit of mint leaves is that it can help to relieve cold. The content of menthol, a natural aromatic decongestant, in it is able to break up phlegm and mucus, making it easier to expel. The respiratory tract becomes more relieved. In addition, menthol also has a cooling effect that can relieve sore throats. You can add mint leaves to the tea to experience these benefits. Number 3. Mint leaves can reducing nipple pain due to breastfeeding. When breastfeeding, the mother's nipples usually experience blisters, so they feel sore. However, research shows that applying mint water or gel can help relieve nipple pain from breastfeeding. Number 4. Mint leaves can improve brain function. Inhaling the aroma of mint leaf oil is believed to improve brain function. In addition, this leaf is also considered to increase alertness, reduce levels of frustration, anxiety, and fatigue. However, more research is needed to demonstrate these benefits. Number 5. Relieves nausea. The strong and refreshing aroma of mint leaves can relieve nausea quickly and effectively. You can use mint oil or take mint candy to reduce the discomfort. Number 6. Overcoming acne. The benefits of mint leaves for the face can help overcome acne. Mint leaf extract has strong antibacterial properties, and it contains salicylic acid, which is effective in preventing inflamed acne. Meanwhile, the vitamin A content of mint leaves can help control oil secretion in people who have oily and acne-prone skin. Number 7. Relieves stress. Mint leaves can be a natural stimulant. The scent of mint leaves can even elevate your mood. Incorporating these leaves into food when feeling lethargic, anxious, depressed, or tired is allegedly the right choice because it has a positive effect. Also, you can put mint essential oil or menthol oil on your pillow at night to relax your body and mind while you sleep. Mint leaves can also be inhaled as a vapor or applied topically. Number 8. Protects body cells from damage. Compared to other spices, mint leaves have strong antioxidants. This antioxidant content can help protect the body from oxidative stress, which is damage to body cells caused by free radicals. Mint leaves contain the antioxidant perolyl alcohol, which is thought to be able to stop the formation or spread of cancer. In addition, this leaf also contains another antioxidant, namely rosmarinic acid, which can help prevent and treat certain allergies. That was a video about mint leaves benefits. I hope this video is useful for all of you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share.